northwestern Montgomery County in Middle Tennessee, northwestern Cheatham County in Middle Tennessee, southwestern Robertson County in Middle Tennessee, until 2:15 p.m. At 1:51 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 12 miles west of Ashland City, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Ashland City, Coopertown, Pleasant View, Cedar Hill, and Cheatham Dam. This includes Interstate 24 between mile markers 13 and 26. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:15 p.m. for the following county: Montgomery, Tennessee. The National